Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you one of our pre-owned boats that we got in on trade. This customer moved up a boat, actually a few sizes in boats, but he really took care of this boat really well. It was garage kept, but I'm going to go over some of the features and benefits for y'all right now. This is an outboard model, obviously. It's got 115 horsepower Mercury on the back of it. It has plenty of room on the swim step, a boarding and exit ladder back here, and a ski pylon, so you can pull your wakeboarders, tubers, and skiers. In the walkthrough right there, there's a designated spot for the cooler that is removable, and there's your battery switch back there as well. Right in here, since this is an outboard boat, what that does is gives you plenty of room for storage. Fit all your safety equipment in there. If you wanted to add some tubes or something like that, you could always do that. In here, we have the live well built in. Very nice. Under here, I want to say additional storage. Yep. Coming to the helm, you got your gauges right here with the chrome bezels on the outside. He does have a Dragonfly depth finder, fish finder, all that good stuff built in. Your Rockford Fosgate head unit and a tilt steering wheel. This seat right here actually tucks away underneath this seat. If you guys don't want the lounge area, you just want a seat where you can face forward, you can always do that. Got the glove box right here. And additional storage down here where the Dragonfly box is located. He kept all his paperwork and documentations for this boat, so you'll have everything. Storage under these seats right here, and plenty of room up in the bow area to really just hang out if you wanted to. One more thing, there's also a ski locker right down there. Additional storage, there's plenty of storage throughout this boat. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston, showing you our 2017 Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. Come by and see us soon.